to show you how you can convert numerical variable to string, and also the vice versa, where you can convert string variable to numerical in Stata. So what you are supposed to do is that import data from Excel to Stata. Though I demonstrated how you can do this using a full video, which is also in our channel. So what you are supposed to do, you just need to come to where you have file, then come to where you have import, then choose Excel, then come and select the data which you want to import. So you want to import data regarding age and the income distribution. Then in most cases you can just choose to import first row as variable name. Then in most cases in Stata we usually prefer to preserve lowercase numbers. Then just hit OK, and now your data is now imported in Stata. So what our mission is to convert string variable to numerical, and then numerical to string variable, what we can usually call a string numerical. So you can just come here in the command and enter edit, hit enter edit in the command section. So you can see now our data is in numerical. So how have I noticed that our data is given in numerical? It is written in black. And this is a clear indication our data is in numerical in layman's language. Since our data is in string, it could be highlighted in red color. So what we are supposed to do, for instance, we want to convert this ID responses here, we want to convert it to string. Since it represents the position of our respondent. So what are we supposed to do? We just need to come to where we have data. Then we need to come to where we have data utility. We just need to come to where we have data utility. We just need to come to where we have create or change data. I'm sorry. Just need to come to where we have create or change data. I have spent how we are interacting with data. So then you just come to where we have other variable transformation. Then it is here. You can see the convert variables from numerical to string. That is our mission, to convert ID response from numerical to string. Just hit above it. Then you come where we have numerical variable convert, hit there. Then choose ID response. That is our mission. Then we need to create new string variable. No, we don't need to create, we just want to maintain the ID responsibilities. We just convert the specified variable to string. Original numeric variable will be lost. That is the truth. Then there is other additional information here, but as we advance interaction with the software, we shall come and navigate them. Then instead of clicking OK, just click submit and see the effect. You can see the effect now. This ID response is now red in color rather than black. And that was our vision. So we can just I think we can close it so that it does not disturb us. Then maybe we want now to convert all of your data maybe to string variable at once. And this is so easy again. You just need to come to where we have data again. Then come to where we have create or change data. Then we come to where we have other variable transformation and commands. Then we just come to where we have numeric to string. That is our mission. First we convert numeric to string and then do the vice versa, which is pretty more like the same, and convert. So you just come here, choose all of them, put them in this box here. Then you just come here and choose convert the special variable to string. Just click there. Then you submit. All of them, they are now denumerized and now they are string in nature. So if you want to do the inverse of it, now convert these string variables into the numerics, which usually in Stata we are conducting numeric analysis. So what are we supposed to do? The same process, just come to where we have data, then come to where we have create or change data, then come to where we have other variable creation commands. No, yes. Then come to where we have making mistake. Needed to come to where we have create or change data. Then we come where we have other variable transformation command. Then we come to where we have convert string to numerical there. So we start with one data. If we want to convert this income, since we know our income cannot be string, it must be numeric in nature if it is data operator. Then just choose our income and remember to tick convert the specified variable to numeric. Click there, then hit submit. You can see now it is black in color. So since I think the concept is now absolutely made, now we can just select the income and age to be numeric, where we maintain ID response to be string. So I have added age here by just clicking the drop down arrow and then choose my age. Then we edit it since I already have it here. Then hit submit. You can see the process is so simple. So what we need by Stata is just by doing exercise. You do a lot of practice, and after doing a lot of practice, it will be perfect with you. So if you want to know the commands which we are using, these are the commands. If you want to run commands other than following the process which I have shown, this is the command. If you want to destring, destring is taking string variable and making them numerical. You just write the command destring, which is here. Let me show you. You can just say destring. Already it is now. It is already destring. Destring, or the command is already here. Destring income and age. Replace and hit enter, and it will be destring using command. Also, if the vice versa, where we are string, you can just say to string. It is here, the command to string. Let me show you. You want to run command to string ID response. Okay, that is taking it from numerical to string by using command. You can just use command like that. Since in Stata we are given option to either use interact with the interface or use command. But if you are not conversant with Stata, since it is so strict in the command you are getting, just use the normal interaction method in the interface. So in the next video, we shall be analyzing how you can be able now enter data, raw data in Stata manually, rather than importing them from other software like Excel. And we shall see how the process is so simple, and then we start doing serious analysis. So thank you for watching. Please don't forget to give the video a thumb up and also to hit the subscribe button so that you not miss any of our future content like this.